The Nike Waffle Racer Midnight Navy and Safety Orange brings a clean blend of classic running heritage and modern street style. Its deep midnight navy nylon upper shifts subtly in the light, giving the shoe a dynamic look, while the soft suede overlays add depth and texture. The bold Safety Orange Swoosh slices through the dark base, creating a vibrant contrast that instantly grabs attention, with a heel tab matching for a consistent hit of color. A sail-toned lace area and midsole lighten the overall palette, keeping the silhouette balanced and wearable. Nike keeps the vintage vibe alive with the exposed foam tongue and the iconic waffle outsole, inspired by Bill Bowerman's 1970s design. This classic sole not only enhances grip but reinforces the retro aesthetic sneaker fans love. Reimagined with updated materials and fresh color blocking, the Waffle Racer stands out as the perfect mix of old-school charm and modern versatility, easy to style, eye-catching, and undeniably timeless.